First step, have your blanket face up with the leaves facing you. Step 2, take your flower base and fold it downwards. Then take this left side and kind of pull up, and you'll see that there's a sort of lily pad shape to your flower base. Step 3, take your sunflower center, insert your hook through the first stitch, and then insert your hook into this top chain space here. And then yarn over, pull through, and complete a normal single crochet. Similarly for the increase, you're going to insert your hook into the stitch, insert your hook into the chain space, yarn over, draw up a loop, complete a single crochet, and then to increase you will just use the same stitch and chain space. Like so. And there you go. You can see it's nicely attached at the bottom, and you can continue from there.